Hello everyone. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for us this year. It has been a blissful 2025. And whoever has done business with us, whoever has promoted us, whoever has partnered with us, whoever has been with us during our lowest, during our highest moments, we say thank you so much. As we usher in our 2026, we wish you a very peaceful year. We wish you a very fruitful year. And from Remsafe Training and Driving School, tunawatakia mwaka ulio na baraka, ulio na mafanikio, ulio na amani. May every home be peaceful. May every business be successful come this year. It has been tough, but we thank God for the far that He has brought us. Namna gani?
From us, we take this beautiful opportunity as we come to the end of this 2025. As a family, we appreciate each and every single one of you for accompanying us, walk with us throughout this 2025 from January to December. It has been a very great year, successful year. There have been up and downs here and there, but eventually we are here to say thank you. We really appreciate all of you, and we really pray and wish each and every single one of you who was with us in business, who was also with us in any other issue to do with us as a family. We wish you a blessed 2026. God's blessings locate you. Remain very peace. Enjoy your 2026 as it comes. And I wish you all the best. From us, we love you and we will not forget you. Be blessed and enjoy yourself. Happy festive season.
Without peace, there's nothing you can do. So we pray for a peaceful 2026, a successful 2026. To all business owners, to all partnerships that we've done, we say thank you. For anyone who came to train with us, thank you for choosing Remsafe Training and Driving School as your preferred driving school to train and acquire your driving skills and acquire your smart driving license through us. Say thank you so much for your support. It has been a great year. It has been a year full of lessons. It has been a year full of challenges, but we thank God for the far that He has brought us. Yangu ni kuwatakia mwaka mpya mwenye mafanikio, wenye baraka, wenye uvumilivu, wenye utulivu na wenye furaha.
From us as Carlos family, take this humble and beautiful opportunity to wish each and every single one of you out there a very joyful year 2026, a very prosperous year 2026, a very blessed year 2026, full of God's blessings, protections, guidance. We really give a lot of appreciations to those who've been together with us the whole of this 2025, from January to December. We say thank you. It wasn't an easy journey, but from your strong faith, we've been managed to walk all along. We had so many up and downs, but I thank God for this far. All we can just say as we usher in 2026, we just wish you all the best. You and together with your family, we wish you all the best. From us, we keep praying to all individuals who have been together with us, all the family friends, all the business friends and partners. We will still honor you, walk with you, continue working with you with the same spirit, with the same pace. From Carlos family, we wish you a happy and blessed 2026. We love you.
We love you.